Now in nonlinear simultaneous equations, here we deal with pairs of simultaneous equations with at least one being nonlinear. If you look at this pair, we are having this is a linear equation, this is a nonlinear equation. So this is what we mean by nonlinear simultaneous equations. So how do we solve for that? So now, looking at equation 1, so for equation 1, we will call this our equation 1, and we will call that our second equation. So from my first equation, we will see that 4x squared minus 9y squared is going to be equal to 36. So this is the same as 2x squared minus, put all that in brackets, square root of 9 is 3, 3y squared is supposed to be equal to 36. If you look at this, this is a difference of two squares. This is like a squared minus b squared. So with difference of two squares, it's going to be 2x minus 3y is the same as 2x plus 3y is equal to 36. So now it means that our equation, this equation 1, has now become this. 2x minus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 36. But if you look at our equation 2, our second equation, if we are to collect like terms, we put the whole numbers on the other side, on one side. This second equation of ours, from this second equation, we get that 2x plus 3y is going to be equal to negative 2. If we are to push this to this side. So from our second equation, we are seeing that 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 2. And in our first equation, we have simplified it into this. So since 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 2, and yet in this equation we're having 2x plus 3y, so it means that this is equal to 2. So it means that we are substituting this equation, we're substituting it into that. So from this equation, we shall continue here and say that 2x minus 3y multiply that by 2x plus 3y, which 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 2, is going to give us 36. So when it gives us 36, we simplify this. Now we've made this become linear. So we simplify it and it becomes negative 2 times negative 2 is going to give us minus 4x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is going to be positive 6y is going to give us 36. So now we have a linear equation. So now that we have gotten a linear equation, which is negative 4x plus 6y is going to be 36. So it means that we can now solve this linear equation with this linear equation simultaneously. And when you solve those two simultaneously, we will be able to get the value of x and y. So this equation is the same. If you divide through here by 2, it's the same as saying negative 2x plus 3y is giving us 18. Our first linear equation is that one we've gotten, which is 2x plus 3y is going to give us negative 2. The second linear equation is that one, which you are going to call negative 2x plus 3y is going to give us 18. Solving for those two equations simultaneously, we get our value of x. When we by elimination method, it means we eliminate the value of x. When we add 2x plus this, 2x plus minus 2x is going to give us 0. So 3 plus 3 is going to give us 6y. So we have here 6y is going to be equal to negative 2 plus 18, that is 16. So we divide both sides by 6. When we get a value of y as y is equal to 8 over 3, when we substitute for the value of y in one of those expressions, we'll get our value of x. brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. For Kisembo Academy, this is Arnold Rangakurami.